Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'll show you how to force your MacBook to sync with iCloud so all your files, photos and documents stay up to date. So let's get started. First click on the Apple logo and go to the system settings option from here. Now simply go to the Apple ID section at the top of your sidebar, then click iCloud. Here you will see list of apps and services using iCloud. To force sync, toggle off a service, wait a few seconds and toggle it back on. You can see here, you can simply see all, and I will simply choose photos and you can switch it off right now and simply turn it on back on. Wait a few seconds and toggle it back on. For example, if your desktop and documents aren't syncing properly, toggle that option button off and back on. You can also manually upload files to iCloud Drive by dragging them into iCloud Drive folder in Finder. This ensures the latest changes are synced immediately. If you are still having issues signing out and back into iCloud can also replace the sync. Just remember to back up important files before doing this. Otherwise, you might have used all your storage of your iCloud. That might be one of the reasons why your items or your documents are not syncing into your iCloud. And that's it guys. Now your MacBook should sync with iCloud smoothly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MacBook tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.